Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us Blitzwolf BW-BTS1 Bluetooth earphones, and in this video we will do the unboxing and find out if they are the best budget friendly wireless earphones. So let's start. Nowadays, more and more companies are making true wireless earphones, but some of them are still making the wireless earphone which goes around your neck. For example, this one, the Blitzwolf BW-BTS1. We got these earphones from banggood.com and the price of these earphones are $20 which is somewhere around 1400 rupees. And if you like it, then do check the buy link in the description below. So here is the box. In the front we have the model number, which is the BW-BTS1. And at the back of the box you have the specifications. These are the sport wireless earphones and comes with 110 mAh battery. So let's open the box and see the content now. So here we get the nice looking carrying case which has the earphones inside. Let's keep it aside for a moment and see what else we get in the box. So we get the documentation, and here it says that these earphone comes with 18 months of manufacturer warranty. And here is a user manual of the earphones. Now let's look at the earphones closely. So first, about the carrying case, it's a must-have accessory whenever you buy Bluetooth earphones to protect them from dust, and also it makes it really easy to carry the earphones while traveling. The build quality of the carrying case is also pretty good. Now let's open it and see what we get inside. So here we have the earphone itself. They're not at all bad looking, and you have the black color earphones with the Blitzwolf logo in white. We will look at the earphones in a moment. Let's see what else we get. So we get the small micro USB cable to charge the earphones, along with some extra ear tips and ear hooks. Now let's look at the earphones closely. The earbuds are magnetic, which means when you're not listening to them, you can attach it around your neck, which ensure that they don't fall off your neck. In terms of design, these are the in-ear earphones with a hook attached to them. They look stylish and sleek, which I really like about these earphones. Build quality is also pretty good, and they definitely look and feel better, keeping in mind the price of these earphones is only $20. In terms of controls, on the right side of the cable, there is a small remote control module, which has 3 buttons, volume up and down, and the middle button to pause and play music. The charging port is also there at the back, which by the way fully charge these earphones in approximately 1.5 hours. Now let's wear the earphones and see how comfortable they are, and then we will test the sound quality. The earphones are very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. And as we always say that, make sure you try all the ear tips and hooks to check which feels more comfortable. Pairing them is also like any other Bluetooth earphone, and you just have to press the middle button for 5 seconds. The earphone also has English voice prompt to let you know when it is power on, off, and for pairing mode. So we have paired the earphone with the phone. Now let's check how is the sound quality. In terms of bass, there is definitely some bass in these earphones, but it is not as deep as some people like. Everything else is pretty good, mid-range are very well tuned, and highs are also not that bad, which is again pretty good performance from the earphones in this price range. We had no issue of distortion even in full volume, and I find the overall performance of these earphones satisfactory. The aptX audio encoding which these earphones uses ensure that there is no distortion at all. So to sum it up, the Blitzwolf BTS1 earphones are definitely the budget-friendly earphone which offers a lot in its price range. You get the multi-device connectivity by which you can pair 2 devices at the same time. The battery backup we got was approximately 5 to 7 hours, which is not that great but decent enough, and this is due to the smaller control module which has the battery in it. Overall, the earphones are sleek, stylish, and very comfortable to wear, and that too with a good sound output for the price. And keeping in mind all that, we think for Rs 1400, these are the best earphones we have come across in this price range. Magnetic design, IPX4 rating is also a plus point, which makes these earphones a complete package and definitely make them value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Blitzwolf BW-BTS1 Sport Wireless earphones. Let us know if you like these earphones, and also tell us which type of earphones you prefer in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.